welcome to this fabulous large 5-bedroom villa here in Tilal Al Ghaf. So this is a Harmony, handed over Harmony 1, and is the large 5-bedroom. So let's turn around the camera and check out inside. Now we're at an event here in this villa and it is proving an extremely popular property, hence so many people, potential buyers looking around. So check this out. So we walk into the property and as you can see, you've got 1 bedroom downstairs here and all cupboards built in. Beautiful bathrooms. That's what I really have noticed on the Harmony villas, that the attention to detail on the bathrooms is fabulous. And then this is the general powder room for your guests. In there is a locked up storage. Okay, and then if we come around here, so you'll see that's the entrance to the door. This is the main kitchen. And so there's room obviously to put your oven. And then what I also like in the large is you've got a much larger laundry room. So that's for your built-in obviously washing machine and dryer. And then, whoops, let me switch these lights on. And here is the maid's room and toilet and shower for the maid. And then you can obviously come out down the side of the house here. And that's your garden. We will go round to see the garden in just a second. Let's carry on down into the main lounge. It's very busy, but I do want you to have a look around. Here's the main lounge. Here. Looks absolutely brilliant. And then here are the stairs leading up. So you've got 4 bedrooms upstairs. So 1 bedroom downstairs, 4 bedrooms upstairs. And you'll notice here. There we go. So if you go upstairs, you'll see 1 bedroom here. Here we have it. And really nice as well, check this out. Really nice large balcony as well at the front of the house. There you have it. And that's down into the front door as well. It's just really nicely done. Okay. And then if we come around, we've got another bedroom here. Here we have it. Okay, so this one doesn't have a balcony. Again, looks out onto the street. Really nice and spacious. And you'll notice that you don't have the cupboards in here. You actually have them built in as you come into the bedroom, and this is your bathroom. Okay. And then we'll go and check out another bedroom. So the bedrooms all have the built-in cupboards. And again, another bathroom built in. And I have left the best till last. So this is coming upstairs. And this is the upstairs living area here. And then, if you come in here, this is the master bedroom. But check out this bathroom. The master bathroom is amazing. You've got a sit-in tub, huge double shower, double sink. And then you have also, here we go, you've got the walk-in master wardrobe, which is fabulous, and this brilliant space for your master bedroom. And this particular property looks out straight on the park and the paddle tennis courts. So we're here in Harmony 1. If you want any more details on this property, check out below on this video in the description and I can share details. But look at this. Everybody wants a park view in Tilal Al Ghaf. That is what is most in demand. Finally, we will just also go here and check out this amazing, amazing view. There you have it.